Financial instruments trading can be a great way to potentially generate income and build wealth. However, it is important to approach trading with knowledge, skill, and discipline. In this video, we will discuss 7 basic steps to help you start trading effectively. Step 1. Set your goals and objectives. Before starting to trade, it is essential to set your goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve from trading? Is it to supplement your income or build long-term wealth? Setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Educate yourself. To become a successful trader, you need to have a good understanding of the basics of trading. Educate yourself on different types of financial markets, trading strategies, and risk management techniques. There are many resources available online, including courses, books, and webinars that can help you learn. Step 3. Choose a broker. To start trading, you will need to choose a broker. A broker is a company that provides a platform for trading financial instruments. Look for a reputable broker with a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and good customer support. Make sure the broker is regulated by a reputable authority. Step 4. Practice with a demo account. For trading with real money, it is recommended to practice with a demo account. A demo account is a simulated trading account that allows you to trade with virtual money. This is a great way to get familiar with the trading platform, test different strategies, and gain experience without risking real money. Step 5. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of rules and guidelines that you will follow when trading. It should include your goals, trading strategy, risk management techniques, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. A trading plan will help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. Step 6. Start trading with small amounts. When you feel confident with your trading skills, you can start trading with real money. It is recommended to start with small amounts and gradually increase your position size as you gain more experience. Always follow your trading plan and stick to your risk management techniques.